Hi family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today's video is going to be a vlog. Nadia and I are going to multiple stores to pick out some decor items. This is our outfit of the day. We're going to have the whole video on Instagram, so check out Nadia. This is kind of like a sweater dress, so I have the same thing for Nadia. She has a jacket on, but it's a really cute summer spring dress. Alright family, so before we get into the vlog, I wanted to show you all what I got for the new house. As you all know, I recently bought my dream home and I have been working on decorating it. So in the last video, you all saw that I finally got my stuff out of the storage and into the home. But what I need to do now is set it up. But as I do that, I realize that there are a few more things that I need as well. So first thing first, I want to show you all these beautiful accent chairs that I got from Wayfair. I saw these and I immediately fell in love. Y'all know that I like the neutral look, and these are gonna fit perfectly in the home design. Y'all also know that I'm doing a home decor series, so trust me, you don't want to miss anything because I will be telling you where I got every single thing from, and I'm also going to be setting it up with you all just like I'm doing with this one. All right, so first thing first, let us go ahead and unbox our accent chairs, and then we'll go out and get some accent pieces, run a few errands, and then we'll be back. We are going for the neutral, natural, earth tone I guess idea for the whole house. So I'm having a lot of fun picking out different shades of white, different shades of beige, and different shades of tan, whatever you want to call it. But we're going neutral because that's what we like. All right, so if you haven't already joined the family, I highly encourage you to join, because if not, you're gonna miss all the fun. You're gonna miss all the link to all the items that I'm using, all the discount code with the brands that I work with. You're gonna miss a lot, and you don't want to do that. So make sure, take a second, go hit that subscribe button. Also hit the bell notification to make sure you always get the video. All right, so this is just me setting up our new accent chairs from Wayfair, and oh my goodness, these are perfect. When I say perfect, sometimes I'm a little skeptical when I get stuff online, but these, y'all, these are perfect. And I am in love with Wayfair because they have a whole variety. You just type something in the search engine, and I'm telling you, about 100 pages of that thing comes up, and you have to go through it and through it and through it. But I'm glad I picked these ones because, oh my goodness, they are perfect for the space. In the next video though, I'm gonna show you all how I accessorize these. I'm gonna just, anyway, let's finish setting this up. So off we go, y'all. It is a pretty hot day. It is super hot. So I've already had coffee for the day, but I'm gonna go get a refresher from, like, I don't know, Starbucks or something, and I'll see if Nadia wants anything. She has her juicy juice in her little lunch thing. But if she sees me buying something, she's gonna want something as well. Today I'm also going to my tenant's house, which means rents are due. I'm doing money orders right now because that is a great way to track it. There are many ways to do it, but right now I feel comfortable with money order. So I'm gonna go to 2 of my rental properties and pick up my rent. I take Nadia on these journeys with me because I want her to learn. I know she's still young and she doesn't understand what's going on, but I'm teaching her everything I can, whether it's about decorating, cleaning, real estate, nursing when she grows up and wants to be a nurse. Whatever I can teach her, I'm gonna do that. So a lot of times when I go on these like real estate deals, I do take her with me so she can see what's going on. Hello?
Hi, so wait, what can I get started for you today?
Yes, can I have a paradise refresher?
Paradise drink?
Yes, please.
Which size?
A large.
A large?
Yes.
Alright, great.
Do you have any refreshments for kids?
We have our strawberry acai, our mango dragon fruit, and our pineapple cactus fruit refresher. That doesn't really...
Okay. Yeah, I'll have a small of that, please.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Your pineapple refresher lemonade, and they're working on that other one for you.
Thank you. This one's for Nadia. Here, Nadia. Now it's my turn. Oh, thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. I got mine. Okay, we're good to go. So I'm headed over to tenant number 1. I'm gonna go pick up the money order. I'm sure you guys see like real estate investors and people who, I don't know, do real estate, but you don't really see, look who's back there. You don't really see the behind the scenes. So I'm doing my best to make it as personable, as basic, as simple as possible, by showing you guys all these like steps and stuff. My real estate business is a business on its own. It has its own LLC. It has its own everything. So I have a bank account for it, and whenever I get my checks, I deposit it into the bank account. That's where all of the expenses come out of, the repairs, the insurance, anything that has to do with the house, that the mortgage, everything comes out of that account, and then the profit is left over, and that's mine. Okay, so money order right now works for me, and I have trusted tenants. Knock on wood, nothing bad has happened. I have one tenant who has been in the house for over a year, so they're on their 2nd year, and I have a new tenant with a childhood home, and they just moved in. This is their 2nd month, so again, picking up the money order with them as well. So I am turning into the neighborhood for the first tenant, which is my first rental property. I'm gonna go there, grab the money order, and I'll be back, and we'll go to the second one. All right, so we are here. There's the house right there. That one. Wait, that one. Yes, that one. All right, family, so I was in there for a while, but this is money order number 1. Let me open it so you can see. It's a check. 2 checks. I'm not showing you the front, but yes, there are 2 checks. And I just take this and deposit it into my account for the month, and we're good to go. So let's go to tenant number 2. We're only doing 2 tenants today, so let's go to number 2. All right, family, so I am entering into the neighborhood, or we are entering into the neighborhood. If you watched my videos when I was renovating this property, I used to come here a lot, and I don't even come here anymore. The home is not mine anymore. I mean, it's mine technically, but I have tenants there now, so it's not mine anymore. I have to give proper notice before I show up, and I have to have a reason for coming. I can't just like show up because it's my house. Look at the mint, y'all. The mint grew, y'all. My mom planted that when she was here. I need to take some to my house, but I have to ask my tenants if I can do that. But anyway, I'm at the house. Tenant number 2 is not here. She dropped her son off to a baseball thing, so she put the check in the mailbox. So I'm just gonna go and pick it up from the mailbox, and we'll be out of here. All right, family, so I got it. Everything is in here. It's a whole package. See, it says for mercy. So this is the lockbox that was on the door. Clearly I haven't been back here since I turned the house over, but this is the lockbox. So I'm gonna take this with me for the next property. And then I still get a lot of mails coming here because the property was in my name, and this was the address I was using for a while. Look, she left a note for mercy, nobody touch. So these are all mine, and this is the money order. It's 2 money orders. I gotta check and make sure the amount is right, and it is right. So now we have a total of 4 money orders. Let me show you all the other one. We have a total of four money orders. So rent is due and rent has been paid. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in one envelope, guard it with my life. I have lost a money order before, but that's, I would say misplaced. I've misplaced a money order before, and that was stressful, but that's a story for another day. So now we have our rent. We're good for the month. Now we can just wait for the next month. So I'm minding my business, and my sister just called and said she made my favorite food, which is fufu, and she wants me to go get some. So let's go get some of this food. So we are here. The thing about coming here is Nadia hates leaving, so she'll cry because her cousin is here, the baby, and she never ever wants to leave when we come. So it's gonna be a battle trying to get her out of here. Ready to go see Armani? Let's go see Armani. Let's go. Yeah, it's gonna be a war. Come on, Mama. Hello. Hi, Kenny. Nadia. Thank you. Nadia, say hi. Don't just jump in the house. Let's go. Where's Armani? Oh. All right, thank you. The cook. Look at this. Oh, GB. Yes, this is GB, my favorite soup. That looks really good. This is my nephew, Kenny. He's really shy. He's actually, okay, I'm not gonna say out loud, but he's one of my favorite nephews. This one, how old are you, Kenny?
14.
Kenny is 14, but as you can see, he's taller than me, and I have heels on. He's way taller than me. He's a big guy. Mac is my other one. I have a lot of nephews. The reason I wanted to show you guys Kenny is really, really smart. He gets all A's, and he does a really good job in school, and he just graduated from the 8th grade. He's going to high school. I cannot believe it. He's going to high school, so I got him a gift. I'm gonna give it to him later, but what did you want for your graduation?
Yeah, I just want an iPhone.
He just wanted an iPhone 13 or 14. He just wanted that. But we're gonna get him that because he deserves it. He worked really hard, and he is a really, really good kid. You're welcome. All right, families. I'm doing a video. All right, family, so we made it back home. We have to do a part 2 of this vlog or a video. In part 2, I'll actually be setting up the stuff, but Nadia's pretty tired. I have a birthday party to go to. I just came from a birthday party. It's been a long, busy day, so we're gonna go ahead and continue the vlog in the next video. So please stick around for that. Thank you all again so much for your love and support. I love you all, and I'll see you all in my next one. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. See you later.